Hello friends, today I will teach you some Python basics. Today I will teach you a lesson about the print option, okay, or print command. So don't waste the time, let's start. So first of all, print command I will use, just simply type print. I have to give the first bracket, then double comma, then let's type something like this. As I am make a print of a string, as you can see, this is the string. Strings mean any kind of numerical, any kind of alphabetical values, that's called a string which have. Okay, now I have to press enter or make it run. As you can see, the result has been come in which I typing in the double bracket comma the string. Then I will suppose make it 3 times, then same hello Python, simply I will make a into sign, then 3, then close. As you can see, hello Python is coming in 3 times. But if I want to make it in vertical form, then I have to put /n. What is the meaning of /n? As you can see, I will type print. Okay, the same thing, hello Python, I will make the ending with /n. It is meaning the separator, or it is signs the close of a sentence. Okay, then double comma ended. I will make it suppose 5 times or 4 times, whatever as you use. I will give the number. As you can see, I will press enter, it will show the hello is coming in 6 times. Okay, this is the simple thing of print option, how to print a number of times, how to print a single of times, whatever. This is the main print function as you can use. Okay, now I am going to teach you how to input a string in the Python. So let's give a string, how to input with its indicate a value 1, it will indicate a string. I will make it equal to, here I am give value 1. If you want to give it a, b, whatever you want, you can give it. I simply type now input, then first bracket. As I am giving a string, it is always in double comma. What is string? String is, as I mentioned earlier, it is any kind of numerical value, any kind of alphabetical value, whatever you want. This is called string. String always been sit in between 2 commas, double commas, at the start, at the end. Okay, let's see how to input a string. As you can see, I will input hello dot 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 dot. Now 1 2 3, I will close, or I will put like this, enter a string value. It is very easier for you to understand how to input a string. Now as you can see, it is asking me enter a string value. Suppose I enter a string value hello. Now I need to confirm about the string value is hello. Now I will make a print. Now the value is, I know what I give here is the value of the value 1. It will give me the hello output. Let's see. See, this is the hello output. That means our string is now hello. If I need to put a integer value, how could I do that? Let's see. Value 1, sorry 2, this time is 2. I will put as an integer. So simply type input, then bracket, then sorry, I have to make it int. Int is the short form for integer. Then type input, then double bracket, double comma, then enter a string, integer value. Okay, I have to make it in bracket also. Enter an integer value. It is asking, suppose integer, what is the meaning of integer? Integer is basically the whole number. Okay, I put a whole number, not points after that, something like this is not the integer. Integer is the whole number. Okay, it is a numerical value. Okay, now I have to check it is correct. I am giving to the Python programming the value of integer. Say value 2 is my integer number. Let's see what it gives. It gives me the value of an integer. Okay, same to same, if I want to input a float value, what is the float value? It may be a whole number or anything, point something like this. This is called a string value, float value or the real number, whatever. Now I will input in int, not this time, this will be float. Float will indicate an irrational value or a whole number. Okay, that's why I am using this time float. Same to same input. Now put a value of a real number. I will give a real number dot. Now our value need to be print. What is the value? It will show. Now this is the value of a real number or irrigation number, whatever you want to say. Okay, now I want to check the type of string a number, what is string or not. Okay, then simply type, as you can see, hello is a string value. Okay, if I say the value 1 is now hello, hello is the value 1, so it is a string number or a integer number or a real number or a something. I need to check. If I want to check, how could I check? Simply type is the command to check the string value, integer value or real number value. What it will come if I want to check the value 1, value 1, it will give me the class of the input. So as you can see, the class of the value 1 is string, short form of string is str. Okay, now simply I want to check what kind of class of the value 2. Simply type value 2. Now as you can see, it gives me a class of a string number for the value 1. Now I am putting the value of string 2, which is mean it will take the value of the 34, as I give the value of an integer is 34. Now it will give me the class. As you can see, the next step, if I press enter, it will give me the class of this 34 value is an integer value. Then I need to press enter. So see this, it shows me the class of the value of value 2, okay, which is 34. 34 is an integer number. As you can see, it is classified here, the integer. Okay, now simply I want to check the value of the value, which is a float number or not, or the real number or not. Simply type like before, value. If I press enter, then it will give me an answer, a class, a real number or not. If not giving the class real number or float, then it is not float, but it will give me a class of float. Float means, as it's mentioned in the point number or irrigation number, okay, irregular number, okay, not the whole number. That's why it's giving me a float value. That means it's the float number or real number. Okay, I hope you understand. Now I will teach you how to make back sum. This thing, how to print many times in a single line. Okay, now simply type print. I will say hello friends. As I said before, slash n means the end of the sentence. Okay, but this time I want to make some sentence in a line. So what should I do? I will just close it with a double bracket, then start with slash n. Now I will put the second sentence out. Now close again. Now start the next sentence with slash n. Fine. Now simply close and close the bracket, then press enter. See the output. So as you can see, it is shown in 3 times same what I am asking here. Okay, hello friends, how are you all? Hope you are doing fine. Okay, now if I put a value of a 10, I am going to teach you now how to multiply, how to subtract, how to divide a number. Okay, it's mean arithmetic conversation will be going on. Suppose b equal to 3. Now I put a value of a is 10. and B is 3. If I need to make a sum of A and B, simply type plus B. As you can see, just give me a result of 13. 10 plus 3. Okay, now I will start subtract. B is 7. Now I will multiply if I divide. So it is easy, as simple multiplication, as simple mathematics. Okay, so the next lesson I will teach you. I want to find the square root of A and B. Okay, so what should I do now? As you can see, all these things are simple, but if I need to make a square root or find the square root of A and B, A value is 10, B value is 3. I need to find the 10 and 3 square root value. So what should I do? This is much difficult, okay, than these simple things. So I have to import a special command, import dot math, math, simply type. Okay, now I have import math. Okay, now the next command is math dot square. SQ is the square short form, root is the short form of root. So A value is 10. I will make as you know, square root of 10 is 2 times. That's why I am using multiplication sign 2 times. Okay, then put 2. Okay, then simply plus, enter, not just plus sign, and B, select B, same again, 2 times into multiplication sign and press 2, then close the bracket. Now it will give me the square root value of A square plus B square. As you can see, it gives me the square root value of A square plus B square. Okay, now if I change the value of B equal to 10, then now B is 10. If I apply this same formula, now it will give me the another value. As you can see, if I calculate with the calculator, now the value is of A is 10 and B is also 10. So 10 square plus 10 square equal to root of the value. So as you can see, the value is actually 1414, same as this. It means I am correct. Okay, so that's all for today.